limited JDM sinkers from Owner here in America. Let's talk about it.
Hey everyone, Sam here from Lake Pro Tackle. We're very excited to host the Small Business Showcase March 21st and 22nd. That's right, it's a Saturday, Sunday. We're gonna be hosting a bunch of small businesses around the shop here, local as well as some that are actually out of state, but really cool guys. Definitely wanna support the small businesses that support us. Again, as a tackle store, we have a lot of small businesses already in here, but we wanted to give the chance to a bunch of other small businesses that we might not even carry to show off some of their cool product. We know we have a great connection with the Lake Pro Tackle fam, as well as everyone else that watches, even if you're not subscribed right now. We appreciate you being here. Make sure to check it out. We're up in Gainesville, Texas, March 21st, 22nd. Really cool stuff. We're gonna have free food. We're gonna have free drinks. We're gonna have lots of giveaways, door prizes, and raffles. So make sure to stop by March 21st, 22nd here at Lake Pro Tackle. Enjoy the video.
What is going on, everyone? Sam here from Lake Pro Tackle. I hope you're having an amazing day. I want to kick off this video by saying humongous shout out to Pig South, local Texas angler. Well, not local to here, but local to Texas, actually from Winsboro. Big shout out to him. He just won the Bassmaster Open at Sam Rayburn in home state here in Texas, and couldn't be more proud of him. He actually broke the all-time weight record for the Bassmaster Opens event for a 3-day, and big congrats to him. And he did it on such a really cool bait, the Hide Up Koike. There's no comparison when it comes to his level of success, especially with these very, very power finesse style techniques. He definitely has the live scope down. He knows how to fish, pitch a jig. He knows how to fish, guys. So no questioning his skill and his future success on the Elite Series. So kicking it off, guys, going back to this JDM sinker here. So these are under the Cultiva brand, Cultiva by Owner. Now, originally, these were not going to be here in the United States, but Owner America did import some of these, but had to stop because a lot of the tariff costs and increased tungsten prices. Tungsten prices have actually like quadrupled in about a year and a half, and there's no sign of it stopping. So I highly encourage y'all to make sure to have enough tungsten, number one, as well as maybe think of some alternatives, or maybe just don't break off and lose tungsten. That's another thing that I really just have to think about all the time when I'm on the water throwing Texas rig. And it's like, is it really worth losing a bunch of tungsten over this little green fish? Maybe, maybe not. But these guys right here are the tungsten sinkers. Now, literally everything in here is basically in Japanese. However, you do see TG tungsten sinker, and you do see the weight sizing. So we have from 1/8 all the way up to half ounce or 1.8 gram, 1.8 gram, 1/16, all the way up to half ounce, which is 14 gram, with a bunch of sizes in between. We've got a 1/12 ounce, 3/16 ounce, 1/4 ounce, as well as 3/8 ounce. So very, very popular sizing. Here is the difference between the two. That is 1/16, and this is the half ounce. So what is really, really neat about these is that they use that kind of bendy method, so you can attach these very, very easily to a lot of your hook systems or your rigging systems. So whether it is the Zappu RPZ system, which has got this one here in particular, great for the dice and stuff, are going to be the talismans, as well as some of the like EWG style worm hook ones. You can attach them very, very easily. Now, another thing that does come in the package is going to be a little single full ring right there, like itty bitty ring. These are ultra, ultra strong. So these are like going to be your welded style rings that they use in saltwater. So you can put a lot of pressure on this guy here without having to break it, or without worrying that you're going to break it. So very, very easily to use that, and then you can clip them into the system or go directly from this to the swivel, and it makes it very, very easy. Now, another thing you can do, this is the BKK Titan diver hook here. So this utilizes the underspin, and this blade actually detaches very, very easily. So right here is going to be the just plain Titan diver hook, and all you have to do to set this up, get this nice and in focus, all you gotta do is just twist this around, and boom, look at that. nice and easy. Again, this is going to just be a 1/2 ounce. So for the video purpose, very, very easy to see. Obviously, I'm typically not throwing a 1/2 ounce weight on top of a Titan diver. However, some of the smaller sizing, if you just need a little extra weight, the 1/16 ounce ones do wonderful. Even the 1/12 ounce ones do very, very good, especially sinking something like a Micro Citizen down just a little bit more, or if you need more speed, having that extra weight helps it level out very, very easily. Now, another thing that I really enjoy doing, especially with these weights here, is adding a little bit extra action onto a Vision 110 or jerk bait, where you can actually add this onto in unison with a front hook treble, and you can give your jerkbait a much harder cutting action. Because there's more weight in the front, you're actually going to pull that bait more side to side, so you're going to get a wider walk on your jerkbait with like the 1/16 or 12 ounce, or yeah, 12 ounce, and you can really, really fine tune this in. Luckily, they've got kind of those good standard sizings. Obviously, if you're not into adding like more terminal style stuff, you can add something like a Lake Pro Tackle flat weight, which is going to be like a lead sticker that you can add on. But these guys right here, big shout out to Chin from Owner America for letting me know that these were available, and very, very cool stuff. Again, Owner kind of produces like the Cultiva stuff, and that's what this was for. I don't know the actual intended purpose. I would imagine that this was really, based on the pictures on here, this was made for the free rig style stuff, where you actually use this ring to put on your line. So you can easily free rig, same rings, they're all the same, and you can easily just attach and detach for your free rigs. So very, very neat stuff. I think overall, well thought out. And each one of these also comes with the same amount of rings. So the 1/16 ounce, I believe, has 4 in a pack. The 12th ounce has 3 in a pack. So each one is kind of good ratio, and each pack is only $8.99. So you're getting a really, really good deal. Again, tungsten prices are absolutely skyrocketing now, so make sure to stock up on your tungsten. We do have a good amount of the Lake Pro Tackle bulk tungsten packs, which are a humongous deal. They were already a humongous deal before the tungsten increases. Right now, I mean, out there on the market right now, absolute cheapest you can get. So make sure to check out the Lake Pro Tackle bulk tungsten packs. Check out the fuzzy style dice, the urchins, uni, koike fish, and we do have a lot more stuff coming in very soon. And right now, we do have some of the RPZ talismans in size 1, 1/0, and 2/0 in stock on the website right now. We have Sakamata Shad 7 inchers going up, as well as tiny bull shooters, and so many cool things from Depths and Optimum on Wednesday, the 25th at 10:30 in the morning. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out the tungsten weights from Owner, free rig it, RPZ it, throw it on a swim bait hook, jerk bait, so many different applications. And we'll see you in the next video here at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.